Hi! Today I am going to introduce you to the concept of solving cases via NEOS server in Veda Online. First, let's head to Run Manager and select one of the cases to solve. NEOS is the default mode of solving for academic license type, whereas it is provided as an option for some of the other license types. As right now I am logged in as an academic license user, all I have to do is select one or more cases and click on Solve button. We can see the case has been picked up to solve. Now if my model or case definition does not contain any errors, Veda will submit this run to NEOS server. The status of this solve can be checked on Jobs dashboard, from where you can also download the output files of the solve. In case of an error in solve, the LST files in this collection can prove to be useful in understanding the cause. An error-free solve allows Results module to load the output from the solve. User can trigger manual fetch of latest results from database if they feel the need by clicking on Process Results button. Please note that the property group selected in the case definition cannot have Save Solution Information property enabled for NEOS Server Solve. This will lead to error.